All right, guys, would you spend money on a cordless caulk gun? Not just one of those manual ones, an actual cordless one that plunges it down for you? And would you buy a cordless caulk gun from a company you probably never heard of and I've been a pretty big hater on the show about? Well, let's find out in this video, but I think you're going to be shocked of what I have to say about this tool. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tool Squatch. We're putting the SeeSii cordless caulk gun to the test today. We're going to go over build quality, control, and the big question, is it actually worth your money? And there's a special feature on this caulk gun that I have not seen on any other caulk gun on the market today. That includes the brand new Milwaukee M18 one. All right, first off, what do you actually get in the kit? Well, you get this compact SeeSii cordless caulk gun, okay? You get two 2 amp hour batteries, 2 of them, right? A charger, you get a charger. You get this silicone scraper and trowel. All right. You get these cool little attachments that go onto your caulk bottle, give you different profiles and stuff, and a poker to poke that dry caulk out with. And right now, this kit on Amazon is $119. So you pretty much get this whole kit, everything that you need to go be a professional caulker, for less than what you can get a Milwaukee, a Rigid, Bosch, whatever the case may be, Flex. Some of these are $220 bare tool, and they don't have any of the features this has. I'm pretty impressed with this so far. First of all, it's pretty well made, okay? It's not the best made tool, but the plastic isn't that cheap feeling. I mean, it is a Amazon tool, so what can you expect, right? But it feels pretty good. And there's one glaring thing about this caulk gun that sticks out to me among the others. This is the Rigid caulk gun, okay? Look at how much more compact this one is compared to the Rigid. And it's just not the Rigid one either. It's even more compact than this Craftsman one. I can't even get the Craftsman one to fit in the screen here. It's about 25 to 30% more compact than this and about 20% more compact than the Rigid. Some of the other features that you will see on this, it is very lightweight. It is so much more lightweight than its competitors. And I went out to Home Depot today just to look at the brand new M18 caulk gun, and let me tell you, there's nothing special about it. They want $220 for it, and there's nothing special about it, okay, guys? This actually has a lot to be special about it, okay? It's very compact, very light. I noticed that right off the bat, how much lighter and how much more compact it is. And another thing that's really cool, show me your caulk gun that actually has a full ring light LED at the bottom of it to illuminate your work while you're caulking, okay? This makes this stand out of all of the other caulk guns. I, at least, have never seen a light like that, or any light on the end of a caulk gun like that. And I tell you what, it comes in handy. It's variable speeds, right here. So you press the speeds. It's variable speed. And another thing that this has that my Rigid or my Craftsman does not have. We're just gonna plunge this real quick. And I want you to pay attention to the plunger once you see it come in the screen. See the plunger coming in the screen here? Now watch when I let off the trigger what that plunger does. You ready? I'm about to do it. You ready? Watch. See how the plunger moved back? None of the caulk guns I've ever owned, electric caulk guns, have done that. So when you're caulking and you're laying down your bead and you let off that trigger, the other ones still have pressure on it, so caulk still goes everywhere and it can mess up your workpiece, okay? And cause you more time in work. This thing, it immediately backs up and lets off the pressure so that there is zero pressure on the caulk bottle. That is cool. How you plunge the plunger, you press this little button right here, plunger comes right back, or you can press it forward, okay? If you do not press that button, that plunger does not move, which is another nice feature, because I can't tell you how many times this hits the wall and the plunger goes forward and you got all this caulk everywhere, okay? So that's cool that that locks into place and you actually have to physically release it, okay? It's got quick cleanup. You just press this button right here, you take this off, like that, and then this comes off like such so that you can clean it nice and easy, okay? And it locks right back into place. That goes back over top. Boom, you're good to go. I tell you what, I am highly, highly impressed just showing you it like it is now. But let's see how it looks actually laying down a bead of caulk. I mean, that worked really nice, guys. That was smooth. That was smooth. Let's try it on the speed number 2. Let's just see. Look at that, guys. There's no squeeze out. Look at that, guys. There's no squeeze out there or nothing. I tell you what, I love this thing. I absolutely love it. For what you get in a SeeSii tool, this is awesome. This is so awesome, it's not even funny. You can see how it illuminates your workspace here. You see that? While you're caulking, that is just awesome. I am so impressed with this, it's not even funny. Let's go talk about this a little bit more in my final thoughts. All right, let's go over some of the pros and cons. Surprisingly smooth performance. Everything comes in a kit. You don't have to go buy extras. Everything comes in this box for a relatively cheap price. Saves your hands big time. Like having to press down on a caulk gun all the time can kill your hands over time. And it's got features that some of the biggest names in the industry just do not have. This is the only one I've seen this compact with a light. I've never seen a light like that on any caulk gun. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Now let's go on some of the cons. Is it pro grade durability? Probably not. For a DIYer, sure, but it probably isn't a pro grade tool. The battery platform isn't expandable like other major brands out there. So it's not like you can buy this caulk gun and then say, oh, I'll go get the drill, the impact driver, the circ saw. Because honestly, I'm going to be honest with you, those tools really aren't that great. This tool is great, but those tools not so much. And the long-term durability of this tool is still very unknown. We'll find that out more once I send it to Captain Dad. Would I actually recommend this SeeSii cordless caulk gun? Yeah, I would, to the right person. Do I think that a everyday professional who's caulking 100 tubs a day is going to use this? Probably not. I'm not saying they couldn't use it, I just don't know how it will hold up. If you're a DIYer, a weekend warrior, or just somebody who absolutely hates using manual caulk guns, this is an absolute solid pickup. I'm gonna use this caulk gun over my Rigid and my Craftsman all day long. It's just that much better than them. But if you're using this every single day on job sites, you might want to stick to some of the bigger brands. Like I said, the biggest unknown is the durability. Everything else on this thing is great. Like awesome. Balanced, got more than enough power, it's got that awesome light, it's got the quick, easy cleanup, it's got the variable speeds here, 4 variable speeds. Everything about it is awesome. Compact, light, awesome. Just don't know how it's going to stand up on a construction site. We're going to find out in a few weeks, but as of right now, that's a huge question mark, so I got to say no on that. Plunging action of the plunger, I haven't seen that on any of my caulk guns or any other caulk guns where the plunger goes backwards so that it doesn't splooge out caulk everywhere when you let go of the trigger. That's a huge plus here. This thing's got so many great features. If you're interested in purchasing this SeeSii cordless caulk gun, I will have the link in the description. I will also have it in the comment section, and I will also have a 10% off coupon code that SeeSii is putting in there in the comment section. So if you're interested, save yourself a little bit of money, get yourself an awesome caulk gun for the house. And let me know in the comments, would you trust a no-name, budget, cordless caulk gun? Or are you still going with the big guys like Milwaukee and DeWalt? Even though I think this one's better than Milwaukee and DeWalt. Let me know in the comments. I want to hear from you guys, and we'll see everybody on the next one.